If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Becky bag. Oh my gosh, she looks so classy. I am so in love with this bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's got this really pretty decorative accent flap where the rolled handles kind of go and nest in between. It's got this really nice kind of swooped zipper, purse feet on the side, and clutches in here with some magnetic snaps. So when you open it up, it holds everything nice and tight, but if you needed a wider bag, you could definitely go ahead and undo those snaps, and look how big and wide and spacious this bag is. We have a slip pocket on one side, a zipper pocket on the other side. Oh, in love, just absolutely in love. She is a simple, elegant, classy bag. I just love her. Yeah, anyways, that's really all there is to her, but she's just so incredibly beautiful. She can be made in vinyl, she could be made in canvases, she can be made in cottons. I absolutely love her made in vinyls and leathers. Again, these rolled handles are super, super classy and elegant. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these bags, you know what to do. All my information is down below. Now, if you're a part of the bag makers community, I have a treat for you. I have, of course, this video, a cutting video done in real time. Only takes about 45 minutes to cut everything out for this bag. And then, of course, I do have a tutorial. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. The cutting video already is up. So yeah, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.